Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO K10x and let me show you how to do for software updates. So at first enroll settings, then find and select about device, and here click on ColorOS tab. Now wait as your device is scanned. As you can see here, we've got the information, so either you will notice the same notification as I do have, which is update available, and now you can smoothly download it by tapping on download, or you will see the system is up to date and there is nothing more you can do. So now just tap on download and get the latest version on your device. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.